Hi, and welcome in today. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this truck that I'm going to rebuild. It's a 2001 Kenworth W900B with one of the second generation ISX Cummins, a CM570, 565 horsepower. It's got an 18-speed transmission. It's got 336 rear ends on 8-bag suspension. It's been a really good truck to me. I really miss driving it, and I kind of want to put it back on the road. It's had some issues. It's got 1.2 million miles on it, and I just had a cam go out in it. It used to be a log truck. That's how I bought it. And here it is as a log truck. Pretty simple truck. Really nice. As you can see here, it's got the 8-bag AG400 that needs all new airbags. Every one of them bastards leak. Everything else is just kind of rusted and in place. Like I said, it's been sitting for a year. Could really use some love. Tires aren't bad on it. It's dark, bright teal is the color. One of my favorite colors out of the chart. It's on 24 rims and low pro 24/5 tires. It was a log truck, like I said before, so I had to bob the frame off back there. Yep, see, more airbags leaking. Oh, I need to redo those electrical boxes too, looks like. Anyway, I put the sleeper on it, put a new fuel tank on it. It doesn't look too bad. I've done quite a bit with it. After I changed and put the sleeper on and 2 new tanks, started hauling hay with it. It's been a pretty good truck for that. Pretty light too. Before that, I did cow hauling. Yeah, long nights. No sleeper, so we were sleeping up in the calf pen. Most nights. Anytime I got around to it. Didn't do that very long, though. After I was done with cow hauling, I did some fruit hauling. Here's a load out to a winery in Southern Oregon. Hauled some pears out of Medford area back up into Yakima. That was a lot of fun too. But I mean, I've used the truck for everything, including hauling asphalt. Even when I was working for the asphalt guys, they had me going around and setting up the plant too, just like this. That was actually more fun than hauling asphalt, watching the cranes pick up and set up an asphalt plant. During the off time, we hauled some trailers on a step deck, both cargo and utility. But, I mean, it's just been an all-around good truck. I'd hate to see it just wasting away in the field, so maybe it is time to pull it in the shop and start again. It's just been an all-around good truck. Like I said, I'm really hoping I can use this platform and start rebuilding it and make it nice again. First thing I want to do, though, is get rid of these goddamn doors. Worthless doors that Kenworth ever came up with. Needs a new windshield. Needs a little bit of wiring done. I want to change out those lights to the bullet style lights. That'd look really good.